going live with the camera, capture card, and streaming software. In this video, we will show you how to stream with a streaming software using a camera and a capture card. Here's what you're going to need: a camcorder with HDMI output and zoom functionality, a tripod for your camera, a computer, a capture card, and a streaming software. In this demonstration, we will use OBS as our streaming software and the Blackmagic Design Intensity as our capture card. There are other softwares and devices available which you can use, but the steps should be similar. Check our list of confirmed devices and software on our Help Center. If you don't find your device or software on our list, don't hesitate to reach out to us, as we are compatible with almost any streaming device that utilizes RTMP protocol. It's also possible to use a multi-camera setup, which requires additional equipment such as camera switcher. In our demonstration, we'll use a single camera. Make sure your computer has all the necessary software and codecs downloaded for the specific tools you're using. First, attach your camera to the tripod and switch it on. Connect the HDMI cable in the HDMI in connection of your capture card and the other end in your camera's HDMI output. Connect one end of the Thunderbolt cable in the Blackmagic device and the other end in your computer. Those cable connections will allow your camera footage to appear in your streaming software of preference. Open the streaming software installed in your computer. In this case, we're using the Open Broadcast software, which is free to use. In OBS, the first step is to create a new project. Press the plus symbol in the scene square. Name your scene according to your event and press OK. The new scene will be displayed in the source square. While having the scene selected, press the plus button on the source square and add a new source. Please choose the option Blackmagic device. Please note, if this option is not available, you probably didn't install the software and codecs of your capture card yet. After choosing the device, rename it so you can easily identify it. From the drop list, select your device and mode. Press OK and wait for the image to display. Once you connect your device with the streaming software, you need to add the RTMP URL and stream key of your event. The RTMP URL is a link that directs your stream to our servers, while the stream key is a unique code that is generated every time you set up your event for live streaming. To get this information, you'll need to go to a previously created Events Live Studio. Once you're in the Events Live Studio, you'll see the stream setup page. On that page, please select the server in accordance to the continent you're based. Once you do it, you'll have available the server's RTMP URL, as well as an auto-generated stream key. Please note, every time you change the server, a new stream key is created. Once you've chosen the right server, you can then copy both RTMP URL and stream key and paste it on OBS. In order to do so, in OBS, click on Settings, then Stream, and select Custom Streaming Server. You'll then be able to paste the RTMP URL onto the URL field and the stream key onto the stream key field. Press OK to save those changes. You can check out our Help Center article for more up-to-date details and technical specifications to stream on MyCujo if necessary. It's important to make sure your computer is connected to a stable internet connection. We recommend using cable connections instead of Wi-Fi, as Wi-Fi connections are more likely to be unstable, which can affect the quality of your stream. We also advise you to run speed tests to make sure you have at least 3 megabytes of upload speed and stable connection in order to stream in high definition quality. To start sending signal to our platform, finally click on Start Streaming. In a few moments, you should start seeing your stream on our live studio. Find an elevated position, such as a press box, for the best possible vantage point. Film from the midfield away from the sun and bright lights. It's also possible to add live commentary with external microphones. Test all your equipment at least 30 minutes before kickoff to make sure everything looks good on our studio, and then, once you're ready, press the Go Live button to start the broadcast. We recommend going live about 15 to 10 minutes before kickoff. Ensure that all your equipment is always plugged to a power supply in order not to run out of battery during the match. While one person is filming, the live studio operator is encouraged to use all our football-specific functionalities that we offer, such as timer, scoreboard, and highlights. If the laptop is on site, use a separate internet source in order to not interfere with your stream. Check out our other videos for more details on Mike Cujo's live studio operation. At the end of the match, press stop live. Please note, do not stop live during halftime or even if you have any connection or equipment issues. Otherwise, you will have to create a new event, which will leave you with 2 or more separate events for the same match. For future streams, remember to always update the stream key for each new event and repeat the process. You can learn more by watching our other videos or checking the articles on our help center at help.mikecujo.tv.